Logically, it's common to mix the OR function with the IF function. To demonstrate this, I've moved back to the sheet called First If, and I'm going to click on F2, and using the thin black cross, I'm going to put status in G2. In the cell G3, I'd like to put an if function, but mix it with the OR function to show you how the OR function works. What I'm after is a situation where if D3 is greater than C3, or if C3 is greater than D3, so if either situations occur, then I want to show the word difference and by how much. Otherwise, just show me the word balanced. Let me show you. So, I'm going to type equals I if, now my test. My test involves the OR function, so I'm going to press O. And this triggers all the functions beginning with O, and I can click on OR, and I can double click OR to accept it. So here's my OR function, and it's asking for the first logical. Now, when it comes to logicals, you can have up to 255 conditions or logicals. So if D3 is greater than C3, comma, which means or if D3 is less than C3. So if D3 is greater than C3 or D3 is less than C3, and then close brackets. And yes, we have to close the bracket to tell the OR function you're finished, and now we put a comma to tell the if function the test is finished. So the test is if D3 is greater than C3 or D3 is less than C3. Now if that's true in either case, I want to see the text, so double quote, difference, so, and there's a colon and a space there, and I want to see a formula. So we use the ampersand, which is the character above the 7. So I go Shift 7 to get the ampersand. So if D3 is greater than C3 or D3 is less than C3, I want to see the text difference, and I want to see D3 minus C3. So if that's true, I want to see a word difference and a result, which is D3 minus C3, comma. If that's false, if D3 is not greater than C3 or D3 is not less than C3, in other words they're equal, then I want to see the word, double quote, balanced. Because obviously they balanced, or they equaled, or they're the same. And enter. Now if this complains, it's basically saying that there's an error in the formula, and what it's picked up is that I haven't closed the brackets, which is not normally a problem, but in this case it is. So it wants to correct it for me, but it's just checking by showing me the formula here. Is this what you want to do? Just close the brackets. I'll just go yes, and I'll close the brackets. So that's what that means if it happens to you. So D3 must be greater than or less than C3 because it's showing me the word difference and by how much, and I can fill that down. So I'll either get a negative value or I'll get a positive value depending on if I've over budget or under budget. Yeah. And so here I can see I'm under by 1,300. Here I can see I'm over by 500. And I can test it by typing 2,000, say in D3. Oops, sorry, 1,500. In which case they balance. So these two now balance, and my if statement's working correctly. So that's an example of the OR. You can use an OR function inside of an if function, and each OR logical is separated by a comma, and you can have up to 250 logicals, 255 logicals.